Whanau. You know, today I looked around and I see the blue and greens are taking it away. That's what happens when you go to the super city. So we've got to send a few hours to the super city to add up the numbers. But I think in the next couple of years we'll have a super Erie. Everybody's for that. Because the Toka Whanau is heading that way. You can't stop it now. It's a mighty wind. It's a tsunami. And we want to tell everybody of this marae, we're back. I remember the years that I spent on the committee here, just fighting and arguing to get one nail into the weatherboard. So we're back. Because money is not going to build this place. It's people. Like you and me. Us. The super iwi. It's back. Did you hear that, Bonnie? We're back. Praise the Lord. Amen. So we're back and I want to thank you for this wonderful time. My mum would have enjoyed this moment. And I know many of our mums and dads would enjoy this moment. But they suffered it for us, for you, and for our children. It's not about numbers anymore. It's about us. All of us working together to serve our people. All the committees that we have set up, they are nothing compared to what the love we've got inside us now. We're going to strengthen us now. That's going to show this nation who we really are. We're not fighters, we're lovers. We're lovers of our people. We're lovers of our land. And we're lovers of what we do. And Facebook is going to do it for us. Like a highway to this place. I just love you so much. My heart is like broken because there's so many people I would have loved to see here. I would have. I was brought up here. We were one of the last to go to the Māori school down there back in the late 50s. A wonderful auntie. You know, in our time, our mothers and our fathers, they didn't ask if we take the kids. Our kids come along and just dump it on us. And we had a young boy called Pinky. That's how Pinky was when he came out. He was straight into our house. And we called him Pinky ever since. And two of their nephews asked me, tell us why. And that is why. He's just been born. I don't think it would be the... How long does it travel from Darwin to our place in Parahi? Not long. He was still pink. And we loved it. But I see a couple of these young boys are fixing up there in the state. I'll tell you, I never get in. I was too busy handing in that one day. But I want to thank you today. I can leave. I can leave in the next 30 years happy and full in my heart. Especially for all those that have joined us. Don't think you're not connected, you are. You are. But we just love celebrating the family that came from way down here to here, and they're going to go further. But I thank you for young men like this boy here in Maxi. That's how long I've been away. But I see things breaking, I see things happening, and I just love it. I want to thank one of my cousin for all the marvelous work. Two fighters. That's her. Boy, and my famous name from her was Bloody Billy Boy. Where is he? Well, she made it through the storm, I made it through a hurricane. We laugh at one another and we just love that. Oh, yes. What do you look?
Bye.